everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyasha. I hope you are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones, and I hope you're not stepping out of the house and you're not doing a revenge traveling thing. Please do not travel right now. We do not want the third wave in India. But aside from that, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you could just hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and then it would be a regular thing for us to meet and talk. And yes, but if you're a regular subscriber, welcome, hello. I know it's been a month since there was no YouTube video on the channel, but I was extremely caught up with work. There was nothing like, I was on a break or anything. I was working since the past 1 month. The past 2-3 weeks were pretty emotionally challenging for me as well, but like there was a lot of work to do and I had less time. And honestly, since the time I've passed from school, I forgot that how much work I used to do in school back then in those days, and that habit was not there now. It was like lockdown had, like it just was shooting or doing with the brands or anything. But from the past 2-3 weeks, the work has increased, and I'm actually very happy that my work has increased. But because I was not habitual to it again, and it has to get in this space on its own. Promise that I'll try my level best to be regular with all of you, to come here and talk with all of you like I normally do. I don't know why just I kept my hand like this, and I don't know. Okay, but skipping that part. So in this video we'll be discussing about my beauty secrets, my hacks, and everything that, by the way, that have been never been out on YouTube. मैंने सिर्फ एक दो बार किसी वीडियो में मेंशन शायद करा होगा that these are my styling hacks, or I use these hacks, but they have been never specifically out on YouTube, or I haven't used them in any of my videos. They are my swear go-to hacks that I always do when I do my personal makeup. That is either 5-minute makeup, or even if it's a dinner party or anything, I do that. So I decided to share these hacks with all of you because of your constant support, and getting the YouTube family reach 300 subscribers is 316 now, and I am grateful and blessed from the bottom of my heart, trust me. Now I've spoken enough. The timer is showing that's already 4 minutes and I need to shut up now, and let's quickly jump into the video. I have jotted all the beauty secrets right here because मैं भूल जाती हूँ. I have right now a very horrible memory. So I recorded, I wrote down everything that I follow, और मेकअप करते करते जो मुझे याद आएगा I'll be adding that as well. But for now there are 7 hacks that I swear by, and I swear by that means that whenever I do my personal makeup, these hacks are always followed. There's never a day that I don't follow it. So without wasting much of the time, we'll quickly jump into the video. I hope you all will enjoy primers. So now with primers, I do not have any hacks. The only thing I do follow is I do not buy color correcting primers, or I do not buy illuminating primers that do not suit my skin the best. I personally feel I do not have that skin finish makeup when I do it, and my skin suits the best with these silicone primers, which I love. So Nykaa and Insight one is on the top. That is why I do not use any pink undertone primers or that. I do have the MAC one, I use it sometimes, but if you ask me, I'll always prefer these silicone primers because they give a certain finish to my face, which I love, and honestly I do that. But इसके पहले जो one hack, okay, the first hack. So I always ice my face before I apply makeup. That is after I wash my face, and like before recording or before even doing my makeup. So I wash my face, and then the second step is not moisturizer anything. I ice my face before applying makeup to have that natural and the uplifted cheek and the highlighter look. So I always follow that. I have already iced my face today, इसीलिए वो you're not able to see it because you know the waterfall, so I do it on the base. The foundation, I do not follow any hacks with foundation, but yes, if I'm doing a glowy makeup or if I'm doing a wedding makeup, I do mix my gold oil in it, that is the pilgrim oil. Otherwise it's the normal foundation. I always take it on my hand, warm it up nicely, and that is the only foundation hack. Or you know, I do not one more, the basic hack I do with foundation is that you know, I know that it's not a concealer and we use concealers, but just a little dot I always put it under my eye. It acts as a color correction because foundation is exactly your skin tone, right? So I always follow that, though, that you know, just one small drop I put it always under my eye. Then of course I put the concealers, but I do this, I have this habit that you know, one drop or one like small little drop like this I will always put under my eye to, you know, have that color correcting, that you know, your face looks normal, and then whatever the concealer adds, oh my god, I'm looking like a cartoon right now. Without wasting much of the time, I'm going to blend it. Always I generally do this. I take all the foundation with my beauty blender and always use a damp blender to blend in, just with a light hand. Now see this and this, so you know, the face looks of the same tone. That is why I put one little drop of it. That is the facelift. Now you might be thinking that facelift, what is she talking about? I'll tell you what I am talking about. So and from the past 1 year, जब से you all have been seeing me doing makeup here and on Instagram, so I have received it in Snatched Face by Bronzer. It's by concealers and baking. Okay, so I'll tell you what happens. Like, we have seen Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, so these people have not done facelift surgeries, you guys. Their faces are slim and they use the facelift techniques. They have not done the surgeries. So what I do is, I take in my concealers, one my shade and one light, as I always do. Then I take in a concealer which has this brush for the stroke, like the Maybelline one or this, or the L'Oreal one, or the Bare Minerals one. So what you have to do is, if you want your face to be uplifted like this, draw a concealer line from here, that is from the center of your ear or from the starting of your ear till here. Same goes here. Oh, I'm sorry. Same goes here, and under your eye, of course, your face will look like this, and this will go up like this. Instant facelift. So this is what I do whenever I do my makeup. This is the technique that I follow for that. Okay, so I'll be telling you how I do it. So I'm taking my main concealer. This. Again, arrow. Okay. And for these concealers, I will recommend you to blend in first and then go in with the lighter shade, because it's more on the thick consistency. So it looks more good when, you know, they are blended individually. I start from the starting of my ear. This is how snatched I always want my face. Okay, so this is how you do the facelift. If you want your cheekbone lift as well, draw in little bit here, draw in little bit here. Okay, let it sit for 30 seconds. This is already set now, and now blend it. Take the smooth side, like the way you use it for your concealer, right? Take that side, and can you look at the difference? Snatched, load. My favorite and my go-to hack that I always do. Have like a proper dinner to attend proper lunch. Tabhi I do baking, otherwise I just put one stroke and we are good to go. So I am using my Nykaa 02 Vanilla Setting Compact. You prefer setting powders, you can use that. And for me, I prefer compacts more. I don't know why, but yes. The finish of this Nykaa powder is really nice. I really like it. I always apply powder in the upward direction of my face. I always set it like that only. I need to wash my brushes now. Bronzer. Okay, so the another facelift or the snatched face thing that I do is I do not use much of the contour now. I use bronzers instead of contouring. It gives a more sun finished natural look and I love using it. So I use the bronzer. This is the Palladio Baked Bronzer that I am using. And this is absolutely a delightful bronzer to use. By the way, just here now, just look at the lip. Apply the product first and then start blending all. Okay, now we have done this. Now so I have nowadays been loving and obsessing over tints and the cream blushes. So I use lipstick as a blush. Like generally nowadays, I always use the powder as one as well, but I use the lipstick one first and then I just enhance it with the powder one. But right now I have my favorite tint. This is the Renee Lip and Cheek tints. It is in the shade Red Romance. This is how the tint looks. So what I do is just take in a good swirl of the product. It's that dark, in shade. So you just take in one of it. Again, in the uplifted way. To here, one on the nose, one here, little dot here. Blend it with your blenders. Thumbs baking. Okay, today I'm baking my face just to have that more lift because the glass finish is looking really nice. I'm using my loose powder by Maybelline and it's in the shade 25 medium Moin. I got it from Myntra. It's available in Nykaa everywhere, but I had some coupons, so I got it from there. Take this. Just light. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा finish हो जाए. Just light baking. The favorite and the cutest palette I have in my vanity, can I just tell you, is the e.l.f. Bite Size Shadows. And yes, I'm using this. It's not opening. Okay, great. It's not opening. So I'm using my e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow, and because it's a white crochet top, I'll mix the pink and these both hues. I will mix the pink and the brown burnt thing as well. But first I'll go in the that's it. You can dab and then take in with other finger. Please do not dip the same finger in another color. Take the burnt orange one, like whichever you want more, use that one. I want the burnt orange one more, so I'm using that. Very good in making eyebrows still yet. So I fill in a little bit always, I don't know where that accent came from. But for the mascara, my hack is I always use double coats and not एक के बाद एक. Way, keep the brush a little bit, angular, teda, and apply it like in the outer way. Eyes will look more wide. Okay, now this highlighter needs to be dried after you apply it, otherwise like starts smudging and the finish is not that good. Just one drop on the nose. Blush, always use a shimmer, 2 coats of mascara, bronzers instead of contourings, facelift, tint as an eyeshadow. Now the last tag is always mixing 2 lipsticks. I never ever use one single shade of lipstick. Whenever I go out, this is my go-to thing I follow. I'm using my Faces Canada lipstick in the shade Love Nude 09 and my Inside Cosmetics in the shade 04. I always mix 2 shades. I don't remember the last time I applied a single lipstick, like single shade of lipstick. I don't feel that energy now when I apply single shade of lipstick.